All right, see this? Guess what we're doing with this? We're going to jump that little RC guy over there, over it. Don't know if this is a good idea or not. All right, we're going for X Games type look here. We're gonna fly the RC truck over the drone. Basically like jumping a motorcycle over a helicopter. We have our DJI Osmo here, DJI Phantom 4. Let's get it.
We cleared it. We didn't land it, but we cleared it. Pretty rough landing. We're going to try to do a couple more takeoffs and see if we can actually land this thing, jumping it over the drone.
Woo! And we landed it! Woohoo! All right, we just jumped this dude over a drone. I don't think that's ever happened before. Not sure, but the internet probably doesn't have a drone being flown over by an RC truck. Anyways, yeah, this is the Bezgar Wild brushless. We've jumped it a ton. You can probably tell by the shell, it's taken a beating. All right, look, this is our playground here. Little bike track. Look at these jumps. You gonna see my shadow? Jump, jump, jump. Big beast, big beast. We jumped it off of this guy right here, right over the top of the drone, and it handled it well. Landed on his back a couple times, broke a couple posts, but it's handling well. Fan's still running, things still going. Awesome.